This is the tunnel that I was talking about. This is the tunnel that I was talking about. It's beautiful. And then I just came from the escalator, and now I'm going to the tunnel part. Come with me as I take a ride. It's beautiful. And it changed colors, and this is the way to go to my thing. I'm gonna hop on here. I'm gonna take a ride. It's beautiful. I love it. It's good. It's like, enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. Doctors. Isn't it beautiful? To ride on something like this. This is Detroit, Michigan. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the tunnel. Okay, bye.